as we jump in, kind of take us from kind of risk to discovery. What is discovery? Why does it matter? How does it help reduce risk? And then we'll unpack kind of the key phases of a discovery process as we do it.
Yeah. Discovery is, it can be a bit of a mystery, a little bit, I think, to people who are delving into this maybe for the first time. They haven't built a product before, but it really comes out of the product management world. The idea of running kind of targeted experiments up front. So really having a healthy understanding of the risks that you face going into, you're going to make a product. It's not just software. You're going to make a product, a tool that somebody's going to use to solve a problem. And usually with software, it's a complex set of problems where there aren't really clear, direct answers. There's not like a straight path to the finish line. So it can get very complex. So what discovery does is, up front, the whole product development process, technically you're discovering along the way. We're very agile. We believe in chunking the work down into small planned units and learning
we're always
along the
learning.
way. Yeah, that we can pivot. So in a sense, we're discovering along the way regardless. But to have an explicit discovery stage in the process up front is to say, for this product, we have identified some specific risks. It'll vary with the product, and some are more significant than others or more complicated. But we're going to first pull those things out, and we're going to focus on kind of a set of experiments. So we do take a kind of empirical approach to it. Like, what evidence can we collect that these things are actually going to, if we do this, if we build this feature, it's going to engage users, or it's going to help them get this job done that they need to get done, that the team knows that we can build it, that the business knows how they can support it. And if we can collect that evidence early, kind of illuminate issues along the way, so we can make kind of the big level pivots before we get into the build. And that's really what we're trying to do with discovery, is really just test those underlying assumptions that could really send you off track if you let that carry you.